þar sem farangur gæti annars til. Upplýsingar tengiflug að finna á skjánum flugstaðabyggingu. Góðir farþegar, vonum að ferðin hafi verið ánægjuleg. Takk fyrir að velja Icelandair. Verið sæl. Dear passengers, welcome to Iceland, the home of Icelandair. The local time is 25 minutes past 3. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seat signs have returned to its stop. Take care when opening your overhead compartments as objects may have slipped during the flight. Information on connecting flights can be found on monitors inside the terminal building. For those passengers continuing on to destination in the USA or Canada, please remain in the first arrival hall as you do not need to go through passport control on this flight. Dear passengers, we hope you enjoyed the flight with us. Thank you for choosing Iceland.